Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mahatman High School, Vijayawada. Today I'm going to tell Hindu editorial analysis on 14 June 2021. The two topics that were given in our today's editorial page are renewed uncertainty and origin nuclear. Today we'll discuss about renewed uncertainty and the original unclear. The China's cooperation in identifying the source of the coronavirus is vital. Means important. Vital means it's an important role. Okay. So that means the China's cooperation for the identification of the coronavirus source is important. Okay. So the topic is about the origin of the unclear of coronavirus. Okay, so let's get into our today's topic. Okay, renewed uncertainty. A new term revival in consumption-led demand appears bleak now. Okay, means a new time reborn. So revival means it's to reborn, means come again. Okay, a near term means of not far, means a small term which is near is in the consumption which led for the demand and which appears to the bleak now, means to the break. So the latest factory output data released by the National Statistical Office is yet another sign of the rocky start that the economy is having in the new fiscal year. Okay, see here, bleak means bare, exposed or desolate. Okay, bare, exposed or desolate, and means the latest output data by the National Statistical Office. It is another sign for the quick start of the economy which is having a new year, a new different year. Okay, April's index of industrial production IIP estimates show all three sectoral constituents of the index, and mining, manufacturing and electricity suffered reverses as output slid below the preceding month's levels, with the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic increasing in intensity that month and several key. Okay, see the April months, the index industrial production IIP, they have estimated and showed all the three sectoral constituents of this index point, means elements. Okay, constituents means elements or the different terms. The three sectoral elements are mining, manufacturing and electricity, and these all were suffered reverses, means they suffered us, and these all output the slid below the preceding month levels. And coming with the second wave of this coronavirus, the COVID-19 pandemic, the increasing in the intensity and the mouth has several key roles: primary, capital, intermediate and construction goods and consumer durables and non-durables endured month on month contraction. See, endured means to suffer. Okay, endured, it means to suffer. So the primary, the intermediate, capital, construction goods, consumer durables and the non-consumer durables, these all went on suffering from month on month, means month to month. Okay, manufacturing, which accounts for 77.6% of the IIP, saw production shrink 12.6% from March and contributed significantly to a 13% sequential contraction in overall industrial output. Okay, means the manufacturing industries and these all be right. So while the accounts of those for 77.6% of the index industrial production, they saw a production shrink, means in the dispersion, which is 12.6% from March. And this has contributed nearly to a 13% sequential, means in a sequence, which is in overall industrial outputs. The NSO advised against drawing a year-on-year comparison, which is said would be affected by the fact that the nationwide lockdown had prevented many establishments from operating in April 2020. Figures from April 2019 indicate the IIP registered a marginal 0.08% growth, aided by a 6.8% increase in electricity output from 2 years earlier. However, from the pre-pandemic level, manufacturing shrank 0.9%, reflecting the deep rut it finds itself in. Okay, see which it means that, see here the constituents which had led to a, means see here, hypothesis. It means a theory or the thesis or the postulate. Okay, so the hub it means a core or center, and kernel. Okay, so I said right before, endured means it's to suffer, not only the suffer, to live or last, means which last forever, means which go away. Sequential, successive, chronological. Okay, chronological means the time order. Rut means a deep track that a wheel makes daily routine, humdrum existence. Okay, so the means the sequential order, and the NSO also advised against the drawing of a comparison, which is said to be affected by the national-wide lockdown. Okay, and which has prevented the many establishments from the April 2020. So the figures that were from April 2019, which indicates the IIP, they have registered for 0.08% growth, and which has aided by 6.8% increase in the electricity output, and from the 2 years earlier, means from 2 years. However, the pre-pandemic level, this has manufacturing shrank, means which has gone, means it's the future. Okay, shrank. So the past, which has shrank 0.9%, reflecting the deep rut. Okay, output of capital goods and consumer durables also lagged the corresponding 2019 levels by 14.3% and 11.36% respectively, signaling that the outlook for investment in production capacity and discretionary consumption remains disconcertingly weak. Okay, see here the words we have to know is lagged. Okay, lagged means a fall behind or falter or decrease. Okay, disconcertingly, disturbing, unnerving or discomforting. Okay, so today means they have said about the outputs that were saying about the outputs of the goods and the consumer durables also decreased, and the corresponding year 2019 levels also decreased by 14.3% and 11.36%. And the outlook for the investment in the production capacity and this consumption, which remains in the discomforting weak, okay, or the few or uncomfort. Consumer non-durables, compressing household essentials witnessed an almost 11% contraction from March, testifying to the demand destruction that has accompanied the second wave. To be sure, the IIP arrives with a lag of 6 weeks, and may likely be viewed as more of an indicator of past economic activity than as a tool to assist in providing an accurate prognosis. Okay, see, prognosis means the prediction. Okay, still other data from May, including manufacturing and the services, PMI, and retail automobile sales underline the extent to which economic activity has been constrained since the start of the quarter. Okay, so here testify, it means to give evidence or arrest or to declare, or we also can say witness, means he gives the evidence, right? And prognosis, I said, right, prediction, so forecast or to outlook. And here they are saying about the means to test the demand destruction, and they also said about the second wave, which to be sure that the IIP has to arrive for the 6 weeks, which is the indicator of the past economic activity and which has also had a prediction. Okay, so with IHS market surveys showing manufacturing stagnating last month and services contracting from the first time in 8 months, the composite PMI output index slid from 55.4 in April, 48.1 in May, indicating a moderate reduction in activity. New vehicle registrations more than halved in May from the previous month, another telltale sign of the demand drought, with job losses accelerating and consumer spending hit by a combination of falling real incomes, depleted savings, and increasing healthcare costs. The broader outlook for a new term revival in consumption-led demand appears bleak right now. To ensure an abiding recovery, the government needs to expedite targeted demand, creating fiscal support measures and drastically quicken the pace of vaccinations. Okay, see, telltale means it's to like revealing, means revealing. Okay, or we also can say the telltaling as the work we done. And drought, the misery or destitution. Depleted means we know, right, consume or diminish. So here the topic today is gone finished. Okay, so here the PMI output had also said of 55.4 in April and 48.1 in April, which indicates the reduction in their activities. Okay, so this is our today's topic on editorial page. Thank you.